Hello, my name is Sufia Shikalgar and I'm from Pune. Today's my video topic name is the digestive system. First of all, the definition of the digestive system. The digestive system is a group of organs which are work together, which are work together to absorb the nutrients from the food which are we eat. After that, there are two major parts of digestive system. First is the alimentary canal. After second is the accessory organ. In the alimentary canal, there are presence of mouth, mouth, esophagus, pharynx, uh, stomach, small intestines, and the large intestines. Next is the accessory organs. In the accessory organs, there are presence of salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. uh, the uh, uh, the functions after that, the breakdown of the large insoluble foods into the water soluble molecules which are cannot be easily absorbed into the which can be absorbed into the blood. The whole system uh, is works in 30 to 40 40 hours. The whole process is occur. After that, the function of the digestive system, uh, there are the first function of the digestive system is the ingestion. Ingestion, the food is taken into the body, and act of the act at the end. After that, the digestion, the the food is breakdown the food is breakdown both physically and the chemically. After that, the absorption, the digested food, the food which are absorb the nutrients to of from the bloodstream and transported cell. After that, the elimination, the digested food uh, which provide which are converted into the fluid and the solid parts of the cell or the tissue. And last is the elimination. Undigested food are reduced in the ejected or the eliminated form, which are eliminated throughout the body in semi-solid phases. After that, the organ of the alimentary canal, the organs are starts from the mouth and ends to the anus. Both are the open to the external external environment. In that, first is the mouth. In mouth, the first part is the tongue. The tongue is the position and mixes position which are mixes the food, which are mixes the food and carries the sensory receptor to from the tube. After that, the teeth. The teeth are used for the grind ingested food into the smaller pieces, are suitable for the digestion. After that, the salivary gland. The saliva is produced by the salivary gland, which helps to break down the carbohydrates. After that, the pharynx. The pharynx is also known as the throat. The pharynx is the both part of the both part of respiratory system and the digestive system. Is known as the common passage of air and food. It helps to the movement of food from the mouth to the next epiglottics. Epiglottics are close the windpipe and open the food pipe in the process of the digestion system. After that, the esophagus. Esophagus is a muscular tube which are connected to the pharynx to the stomach. The esophagus length is the 25.4 centimeter in the length. The food travels down to the esophagus through a series of involuntary rhythms con- uh, involuntary rhythms contract is called as peristaltic movement. After that uh, after that the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ, which are inside fold, uh, which digested food with the help of gastric juices. For example, there are three main gastric juices are present in the stomach: HCl, pepsin, and interesting factor. HCl helps to break down the food, and pepsin helps to digest the protein. And in a intrinsic factor, which are helps to absorbs of vitamin B12. The After that, the small intestines is the longest part of the alimentary canal. Millions of tiny fingers like projection are present in the small intestines. uh, uh, After that, the small intestines helps to complete absorption of the molecules. There are three parts of the small intestines: duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. Duodenum, which are the 30 centimeter long, u-shaped of the duodenum. The presence of villi and microvilli, which helps to absorb the food and complete digestion. Next is the jejunum. Jejunum is the 2.5 meter long length, uh, which helps to the presence of villi and microvilli. The presence of the complete digestion are taken in the are taken in jejunum. uh, the complete absorption of food are also taken. After that, the ileum is 3 meter long, in the of small intestines. The presence of less villi and microvilli. The undigested food was pushing to the large intestines, which can be absorb the food which can be absorb the food and complete digestion. These are the parts of alimentary canal. Thank you.